Dialogue 1. Ordering a burger at a fast food restaurant.
Hello, welcome to Burger King.
Hi, I want a burger, please.
What kind of burger, sir?
A cheeseburger with lettuce and tomato.
Any condiments on your burger?
Yes, ketchup and mustard, please.
Do you want fries or onion rings?
Fries are fine, thank you.
What about a drink, sir?
A Coke, no ice, please.
Okay, your order is ready.
How much do I owe you?
That will be $8.99, sir.
Here you go, keep the change.
Thank you, have a nice day.
You too, bye.
Dialogue 2. Ordering a pizza for delivery.
Hello, this is Pizza Palace.
Hi, I want to order pizza.
What kind of pizza, please?
A large pepperoni and cheese pizza.
Any extra toppings or sauces?
No, thank you. That's all.
What is your address, sir?
I live at 123 Main Street.
How do you want to pay?
By credit card, please. Visa.
Okay, your total is $15.99.
Do you have any discounts?
Yes, we have a 10% off coupon.
Great, can I use that?
Sure, no problem. Your new total is $14.39.
Thank you very much. Bye.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Dialogue 3. Ordering a combo meal at a drive-thru.
Hello, good morning.
Welcome to Burger King.
I want the number 5.
That's the bacon cheeseburger.
Yes, that's right.
What drink would you like?
I'll have a Coke, please.
Any size preference?
Medium is fine, thanks.
Do you want fries or onion rings?
Fries, please. No salt.
Okay, no problem.
Can I get extra ketchup?
Sure, we'll add that.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please drive up.
Dialogue 4. Ordering a sandwich at a deli counter.
Hello, welcome to Deli Delight.
Hi, I want a sandwich, please.
Sure, what kind of bread?
Whole wheat bread, sliced thin.
Okay, and what kind of meat?
Roast beef and turkey breast.
How about cheese? We have cheddar, Swiss, provolone, and mozzarella.
Provolone cheese, 2 slices, please.
All right, and any vegetables?
Lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and onion.
Do you want any condiments or dressings?
Yes, mayonnaise and mustard.
Anything else for you today?
No, that's all, thank you.
You're welcome. That will be $6.50.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your sandwich.
Dialogue 5. Ordering a salad at a fast casual restaurant.
Hello, welcome to Salad Express.
Hi, thank you for having me.
What can I get for you?
I would like a customized salad.
Sure, what greens do you want?
I prefer spinach and kale mix.
Okay, and what toppings do you like?
I'll have cherry tomatoes, corn, olives, and feta cheese.
Sounds good. And what dressing do you want?
I'll go with balsamic vinaigrette, please.
All right. Do you want any protein?
What are the options?
We have chicken, tuna, tofu, and eggs.
I'll take some chicken, please.
Okay, your salad is ready. Do you want it for here or to go?
To go, please.
All right, let me pack it for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too, bye.
Dialogue 6. Ordering a milkshake at an ice cream shop.
Hello, welcome to Ice Cream Land.
Hi, I would like a milkshake.
Sure, what flavor do you want?
Chocolate, please. It's my favorite.
Good choice. Any toppings or whipped cream?
Yes, please. Sprinkles and whipped cream.
Okay. Cup or straw for you?
Straw, please. I like sipping it.
All right. That will be $4.50.
Here you go. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your milkshake.
I will. Have a nice day.
Dialogue 7. Ordering a burrito at a Mexican fast food joint.
Hello, welcome to Burrito Express.
Hi, I want a burrito, please.
Sure, what protein do you want?
I'll have chicken, thank you.
Okay, and what rice and beans?
Brown rice and black beans.
Great, and any toppings for you?
Yes, cheese, lettuce, and sour cream.
All right, anything else? Salsa or guacamole?
No, that's all for me.
Is this for dine-in or takeout?
Take out, please.
Okay, your total is $8.50.
Here you go, keep the change.
Thank you, have a nice day.
You too, bye.
Dialogue 8. Ordering a chicken bucket at a fried chicken restaurant.
Hello, welcome to Fried Chicken.
Hi, I want a chicken bucket.
How many pieces do you need?
12 pieces, please. Any sides?
We have fries, coleslaw, and biscuits.
I'll take fries and coleslaw.
Sure, anything to drink?
No, thank you. For takeaway, please.
Okay, that will be $15.99.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Dialogue 9. Ordering a milk tea at a bubble tea shop.
Hello, welcome to Boba Time.
Hi, I would like a milk tea.
What flavor do you want?
I want a taro milk tea.
How sweet do you want it?
I want it half sweet.
Do you want any toppings?
What toppings do you have?
We have pearls, jelly, pudding, and more.
I'll have pearls, please.
Do you want it hot or cold?
I want it cold, please.
Okay, that's one taro milk tea, half sweet, with pearls, cold.
Yes, that's correct.
That will be $4.50, please.
Here you go.
Thank you, please wait a moment.
Thank you, I'm excited to try it.
Dialogue 10. Ordering a breakfast sandwich at a coffee shop.
Good morning, welcome to Coffee Time.
Hi, I'd like a breakfast sandwich.
Sure, what kind of bread?
I'll have the whole wheat bread.
And how do you want your eggs?
Scrambled, please. And some bacon.
Okay, anything else on your sandwich?
Do you have cheese or veggies?
Yes, we have cheddar cheese, tomatoes, and spinach.
Great, I'll take cheese and spinach.
All right, that's one breakfast sandwich.
And a coffee, black, no sugar.
No problem, that's $4 total.
Here you go, thank you very much.
You're welcome, have a nice day.
You too, bye.